our blue team. Myself Gangotri. Myself Likit MD. Myself Akil. Myself Nilakshi. Myself Vedavati. Myself Nikita. Myself Chaitra. Myself Likitian. Myself Pramod. This is a breadboard. This is a breadboard. This is a Unoboard. This is a Unoboard. This is a touch sensor. This is a touch sensor. This is a battery. This is a battery. This is a jumper wire. This is a jumper wire. This is a relay signal. This is a relay signal. This is a bulb. This is a bulb. Please, now I am start the project. Please listen carefully. VCC go to place. G and D go to the minus. In go to the 8. SIG go to the 2. VCC go to the place. G and D go to the minus. Let's go to 5. Minus go to G and D. Finished the project when I on the battery. When I touch the touch sensor, the light is on. Now one by one come and touch sensor touches.